Welcome back everyone to the 5th X-Prize tutorial. Today we will explore how to set up email notifications and discuss the information you'll find in the email. If you wish to receive email notifications regarding new launches, withdrawals, price changes, or any other detailed changes related to drugs such as drug name, form, strength, or others, you need to save your search first and then configure email notifications. Let's go through the process step by step to set up your email notifications. First, you have to create some basic search. I will use Maptera as an example. Right next to this share button, we have save search button. Once you click on it, you can give your search a name and then click on this green button, OK, save it. Now, if you go to the notification settings subpage, you should already see your saved search. Now we need to click on this Notify Me icon and we can see notification setup window. We can give a name to our notifications, we can add recipients, we can choose from these three options in the content section if we want to be notified about prices or about any changes in drug details, or new launches and withdrawals. We can also choose all three options. Don't forget to click on this email checkbox in the delivery section. You can choose if you want to be notified only if there are any change or always. You can choose frequency of receiving email notification, whether you want to receive once a week, once a month, or every single day. You can also change price change range, but I will just leave it as it is. Now you need to click on this blue button Save. Don't forget to click again on this Notify Me icon to turn on the notification. Depending on the frequency chosen for receiving email notifications, you may have multiple drug changes displayed in one email. Now let's see how the actual email looks like. So in this case, I set up an email notification about price changes. So I can see all the drug details plus the item changed means what has changed. So in this case, it's price. And the last column, the most important for me, says the old value, the old price in this gray text, and then this new value, new price in this dark blue text. Also, I have the information when the change has been made. Now, that's pretty much it. So thanks to this function, you won't miss any crucial changes that could impact drugs of your interest. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. See you next time. Goodbye!